Hey, this is Chris Burgos. We're at NAB 2018. I'm here with NewTek showcasing all the new features we have and some of the new things we announced at our Sunday community event. One of the cool new things NewTek is doing is the Connect Spark Pro. We know a lot of you guys are out there with 4K demands and trying to get 4K workflows into your TriCaster, so we designed a 4K capable Spark with HDMI 2 and loop through that allows you to do pure NDI into your TC1 IP series. If you want to pull that NDI into an existing system, we can push 1080 to some of your older systems like the 8000. So the Connect Spark is 4K capable, Connect Spark Pro, and that is brand new. We just announced on Sunday. Some of the other cool things we announced are new graphics integration, some touchscreen stuff. I'm going to showcase that over here. So we're looking at the TC1's interface, and we have this cool new setup called LiveGraphics. And we're going to call our attention up to the top screen, and what we're going to do is we're going to animate an esports scoreboard in. Or we're going to animate an esports lower third. So this uses the same traditional data link that you're used to fill these fields, or we can punch in names. In this case, I have Instagram handles going into this, but as you notice, there's animation done in, and we can animate them on or animate them off. So this is a huge boon for your productions and getting some animations. It's based off Adobe After Effects workflows, so it'll give you a lot of options. That's coming in Q3. I'm going to take a step over here, and we're going to showcase the new touchscreen interface. Here we have just a generic touchscreen monitor, and we're able to run our production with transitions just by selecting and touching the monitor. This is really cool for those workflows. I know a lot of you guys have asked for us to do touchscreen. Now we have that coming in with NDI 3.5. We can get our cuts in, cut between. If you haven't seen us over at NewTek, we actually have this awesome, cool tarantula pit. Right now we have a bird-eater spider in there, so it's a really cool setup. But this is all designed to be touch intuitive, and we have a new version called Express Mode. It's really great if you're a producer who doesn't have a ton of video production experience, or if you're a school or you're a church, and you just want a simple UI that when you press a button, it takes and does what you tell it to do. So this is great for newcomers into the broadcast industry, part of NDI 3.5. This is just a piece of what NewTek has announced. One of the big new things is this new software called Premium Access. That's going to be dropping in Q3. Has LiveGraphics, some stuff you guys are already familiar with like LivePanel. And that's pretty much some of the new offerings we have in NewTek for 2018.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.